Good morning, beta. Let's continue with the revision of constructions. Yesterday we have discussed very short questions related to the concept that triangle is possible only when sum of two sides is greater than the third side. And another condition we have, if the difference of two sides is less than the third side, then triangle is possible. If the sum is given, you will follow the first condition. If the difference is given, you will go with the second condition. And in case one more question is there, yesterday I have sent you the pic from NCERT exemplar, and in that, wait, in this one question is given, ABC is a triangle can be constructed. Triangle AB can be constructed if angle B is equal to 60, angle C is equal to 45, and AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 12 centimeter. Is this statement true? You have to give me the answer. Is it this statement true? We have given the perimeter of the triangle, but we don't have any condition that will prove that कि triangle possible है या नहीं according to the perimeter. We don't have any condition that will verify your perimeter. But we have one condition that is related to the angle. We know that the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 by angle sum property. As first angle is 60, this is 45. Angle A we can find out. If angle A, both are acute. If third angle is possible, then we can say that triangle is possible, otherwise not. 75 डिग्री आ रहा है, acute है, less than 90 है, तो yes, triangle is possible. So we don't have any condition in relation to the perimeter, but we know that sum of three angles of a triangle is 180. Two angles are given, so let's put the two angle in this condition, and third angle we are getting is 75. So yes, the sum of three angles is 180, so the triangle is possible. One more question is there. Draw a line segment draw a line segment AB of 4 centimeter length. Draw the perpendicular to AB through A and B. आपके पास एक लाइन, आपको कह रहा है AB एक लाइन है जिसकी लेंथ 4 सेंटीमीटर है, कहता है इस पे परपेंडिकुलर कंस्ट्रक्ट करना है एट A and B. And what else? Are these lines parallel? You will construct the perpendicular here. Perpendicular means we are not constructing perpendicular bisector, we are just constructing perpendicular. So for the perpendicular, the line should make 90 degree. The line will make 90 degree. And if it is a perpendicular bisector, then you will make the half of this by putting the arc on the either side of the line. That is known as perpendicular bisector. But now we are constructing only perpendicular. So that's why we have constructed two lines and they are making 90 degree with the base. Are these lines parallel? Yes, obviously they are parallel, because we all know that for the lines to be parallel, either the corresponding angle can be equal, alternate interior angle can be equal, or we have 90 degree here and 90 degree here, that is the sum of two co-interior angles, and if the sum of co-interior angles is 180, that means the lines must be parallel. What you will write? Angle A and B are co-interior angles and they are making sum as 180 degree. So yes, the lines are parallel to each other. Is it okay? Is it okay? Can the angle of 52.5 degree possible? Can the angle of 52.5 degree possible? What do you mean by 52.5? 52.5 क्या है? What does it mean? कटिंग कर लो इसकी 5 से. 505 upon 2. That is 105 का half. That is half of 105. So, can you draw 105? Where does 105 lie? It will lie between 90 and 120. So you will make half of 90 and 120. That will give you 105. Then you will again make the half of 105. That will give you 52.5. So yes, half of 52.5 degree, that is this angle, is possible. Is it okay? Any doubt? One more part is there. Next is yes, Bhavansh. हाँ जी, हाँ जी. पहले 90 बनाएंगे, 120 बनाएंगे, 90 और 120 का हाफ करेंगे, 105 आ जाएगा. वो तो बुक का क्वेश्चन है, 45 का हाफ. वो तो 45 का हाफ है, करवाया हुआ है वो तो क्वेश्चन. एनसीईआरटी का फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन है, मैंने करवाया तो हुआ है. 45 का हाफ 90 बनाना है, 45 बनाना है, 45 का हाफ कर देना है. Look here how you will draw this angle. Firstly, you will make the arc 60, 120, 90. This is your 120. Make half of 90 and 120. This is your 100. This is your 105. So what you will do, you want to make the half of 105. So from this point and from this point, you will draw the arc that will give you, ये 60 यहाँ आएगा. That will give you 52.5. This is your 52.5. Bhavansh, is it okay? Is this clear? Okay. Now, next is 42.5. 42.5. So, firstly, let's understand the meaning of 42.5. कि 42.5 है क्या? True, false है. 42.5. Is it possible to construct the angle of 42.5 degree with the help of compass, or can the angle of this be possible? So what you will do, you will first convert them into fraction, cancel it out with 5, 5 to the 10, 5 8 the 40. We are making half of 85. Is it possible for us to draw 85 degree with the help of compass? Is it possible? The reason is no, because this angle cannot be constructed with the help of ruler and compass. So this angle is not possible. So if 85 is not possible, so it's not possible for us to make the half of this angle. So the statement is again false. Next is triangle ABC is there, and can that triangle AB be possible? ABC possible if AB is 5, angle A is 45, and the sum of AB, AC and BC is 5 centimeters. Yes, who will tell me the answer of this question? Is this triangle possible? Is this triangle possible? Raghav, Divya, Lisa, Harmeet, Prachi, Gagan. Is this triangle possible? Yes, Ashna. Why, beta? Yes, yes. Good. We know that for constructing a triangle, the sum of two sides must be greater than the third side, and here the sum of two sides is equal to the third side. So that means the triangle is not possible. Got it? Now the next is, so this statement is false, and you will write the suitable reason with this also. Next is triangle ABC is there. Triangle ABC. BC is your 6 centimeter. Angle C is 30 degree. And AC minus AB is 4 centimeter. Is it possible to construct this triangle? Yes, anyone? I want a response from each and every student. If you don't want to give the response, you can leave the class. Yes, beta. What? Yes, Titiksha. Yes, yes. Write down next. Triangle ABC is there. Triangle ABC in which angle B is 105, angle C is 90, and AB plus BC plus CA is 10 centimeter. Is it possible to construct this triangle? We have perimeter, but we don't have any property related to the perimeter. So you will check the angles. Is it possible to construct this triangle whose two angles are 105 and 90? One is a right angle, one is obtuse angle. Is it possible to construct this triangle? Yes, Divya. Yes, yes. So this triangle is not possible. One question is given in this exemplar book on the page number 224. Draw an angle of 80 degree with the help of protractor. 80-degree angle you can construct with the help of protractor. You can read it out. I will send you the pic of this question. If you can draw 80° with the help of protractor, then you can make half of it, you can double it, you can have 1/3 of this angle. So I will send you the pic of this question. Today you will read it out and tomorrow you will tell me how we have to construct it. Okay. Now one question Bhavansh has asked, that how to construct a 22.5. So let's understand the meaning of 22.5, that is 22.5. 22.5 means 22.5. अभी हमने जो लास्ट क्वेश्चन किया था इस तरह से 52.5 means 52.5, that is 105/2. So in the same manner you can convert 22.5 is 22.5, that is 45.5. So firstly you will make 90°, then you will make half of 90. First arc 60, then 120, then half of this angle, that is 90, then make half of 90, that will gives you 45. We want half of 45. So after making 45, you again make half of 45°, that is your 22.5. This angle is 22.5. Is it okay? Bhavansh, is it clear? So how you will write its justification? How you will write its justification? I'm writing here one justification so you can see this. I think in the book it hasn't asked, but wait, let me check. No, beta, you have to just construct it. So you have to just make the construction of this. Bhavansh, is it okay? Okay, now let's start with the next question. Now look here, beta. 11.2, question number 1 and question number 5th we have done. Question number 1, 2 and 5th we have done. Now let's start with question number 3. In question number 3 you have given QR is equal to 6 centimeter, angle Q is 60 and the difference of two sides PR and PQ as 2. How you will make the difference between the question, that whether you have to construct it on the upper side of the line or on the bottom side of the line. What you will do, firstly you will check the name of the triangle PQR and the names should be, side should be PQ, QR and RP. The side of the triangle should be PQ, QR and RP, means PQ is at the first place, so the order should be PQ minus QR or PQ minus RP. होना क्या चाहिए था? PQ minus QR होना चाहिए या PQ minus RP होना चाहिए. But check this. Here we are getting RP at the first place and PQ at the second place. Means reverse order is there. So in this type of case, you will construct the base, you will construct the angle, but you will increase it in the downward direction. Dharya, is it okay? Dharya, is it clear, beta? Dharya. Okay, now the order is reversed, so you will proceed in the same manner, but little bit changes will be there. So firstly, you will construct the base. Base is your QR. that is 6 centimeter. Angle is Q, that is 60 degree. So this is your 60 degree angle. Now actually reverse order is there. So what you will do, you will increase this angle, you will produce this line in the downward direction, straight line. Got it? Now this will be your x. Earlier we are giving the name x on the upper side of the line, but here the order is reversed, so everything you will do in this bottom of this line, in the downward direction of this line. Now this line you have drawn, this angle you have done. Now the turn is to draw the difference of the two sides, that is 2. So from Q, you will draw the arc of 2 centimeter and you will name it D, as we do already in the previous question cases. Okay, so this is your D. You will join, पहले यहाँ D आता था and you are joining D to this point. Now we are having reverse order, so you will join this in the same way as we have done earlier. So we have joined this line. Now you will make the perpendicular bisector of this line from the point D and R. From D you will draw 2 arcs here. From R you will draw again 2 arcs on the either side of the line and you will join this. यहाँ ऐसे आएगा, जैसे भी आएगा आपको देखना पड़ेगा, आपको ऐसे आएगा. And make sure that this line DR is dividing into 2 equal parts. But here it doesn't seems to be, but when you will draw with the compass, you will surely have equal parts. And this point where this line is intersecting the line of this angle, that will be your, the missing name is, we have QR, and what is missing here? P. So this point is your P. And you will join this PR, that is your triangle PQ. Is it okay? So everyone, please start this question. I am waiting for you all. You please construct it side by side. And after this, only one question is pending from this same exercise. And today I am going to send you the subtraction type question that you will do in the practice, so that you can check them whether you have to draw it in the upper side or in the lower side of the baseline. So you have to check the conditions. Hurry up. I will send you the questions. Draw this. I'm waiting. Hurry up. Hurry up, beta. Draw this. Yes. Start constructing this question. Start this question. Base is given, one angle is given, you have given the sum of two sides, and the sum of two sides is greater than the third side, that means triangle is possible. So construct it, and in case of addition you will always form a bigger triangle out. Inside triangle you will have intersection point here, arc you will put here, and one triangle will be formed inside this. And in case of subtraction you will form bigger triangle. In case of addition, triangle will be formed inside the perpendicular bisector. Hurry up. Start this. Start with the base. BC 5 centimeter. Angle B is your 60. 60. X. The sum of two sides is 7.5. So from here you will put the arc of 7.5 and you will name it D. You will join CD. Then you will make half of this by constructing perpendicular bisector. The point where this line intersects this angle line, this point is your BC is there, A is missing. So this is your point. How you will do the justification? For the justification, you will measure AB and AC, and the sum you will get as 7.5. Hurry up, construct this. Done, beta.